Good morning, humble trader. How we doing? How we doing? Right, let's get started. How we doing this morning? So we got gold in a range. We had GJ news start pushing price down. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Yeah, so it looks like we did the move overnight to 65. I think on gold buys are going to be pretty good above 1983. I think we'll get to 1985 quite easily, if not 1988 to be honest. But yeah, I think if you're going to trade this range, start to create that higher support, you could play the range, but I think we're going to be safer trying to get buys above 1983, and for sells it's going to be better with resistance below 1978, and then we can look to target back down to 74s. So that's my plan with gold. GJ just chilling and waiting here for a bit. This news sort of pushed it down for a little bit. We sort of broke that hourly low. We know where the rejections are coming from. You taking any trades this morning, humble trader, or whoever else we got in the chat? Anyone taking any positions or anything? It's Friday. Don't want to go too mad, right? Let's see what GN's saying this morning. Not really too much. Morning, Donald. See you there.
Good morning, good morning.
How you doing?
How are you today?
Yes, not too bad, my friend, not too bad.
That's nice.
Yeah, man. Just waiting to see what happens.
Last day of the month.
Yeah, I was sort of, so obviously if I was up for Asian session, I would have been getting involved somewhere around here, because I basically had alert set above 164 450, and I was just sort of hoping that we were going to sort of be around this area for London. But we could see that the moves happened in Asian. We created another high at this stage, pulled back. So if we can respect this support and then start breaking up, creating high support, then it makes sense for more upside. But right now it looks like we're going to start breaking down further. Potentially need to come back to actually 64s to create further support down here. But then at that stage, if we start breaking down below this range, I would probably need to see a change in structure back this way to say that we're going to continue this move up. But obviously we'll see, because this candle's not closed yet. And then in terms of gold, yeah, we're just in a little range at the minute. But yeah, I may not get a trade today. We'll see.
Yeah, for me that's probably true. Last day of the month, last day of the week, I think.
Yeah.
I might take a chill day today.
And the last day of the quarter as well.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, no, I'll only take a trade if something decent presents. If not, then we're chilling.
Yeah.
Should we take a buy trade now? Buy trade on what, mate? Buy trade on what? And I'll never tell anybody to buy or to sell. I'll just give my analysis. My analysis is, if we start breaking above sort of 750s, this little area here, then you have a good shot to push back up to 65s. That will make sense. Apart from that, price is in a range right now, so it wouldn't be the best idea to take buys now, would it? So in terms of gold, also in a range. If you wanted to take buys, you take buys from the low of the range and you play up to the top of the range. But if that's worth it for somebody, then it's worth it. If it's not, then wait till we break out, create support, and then look to go with that. So for me, if we break out, we probably will hit 1985, give me a little pullback, create support, then I can look to break through that and then continue up to 1988, which would be my target for the day, right? So again, you have to plan your options out. In a way, I kind of already know exactly what I'm looking for is the minute I get on a chart. Get to the chart, I look at 4 hour, cool, can clearly see we're in a range. 1 hour, we're in a range. 2 minute, we're in a range. So we already know. But if we get just a decent closure above 1983, maybe worth a little shot. But we're gonna see how it forms. May not even do that. Same with GJ, we may not even break above 750s. We may just want to continue down deeper for the day. You know, and in theory, till we see structure back on the lower time frames, such as the 5, where we're clearly starting to do this again, how do we know we're going up? Because at this stage, we're clearly breaking down lower time frame, creating lower ranges, right? So we need to see a break and a change in structure. But yeah, I got my parameters set. Know what I'm looking for today. YouTube, eh? YouTube, man. I haven't even opened up MT5 yet. Just have it ready. But yeah, if you think if this 1 hour candle has broken the low and then starts to break the previous high, now we're looking at some decent volume coming in, right? How's your week been, Donald, anyway? What's up, bro? Yeah, I said, how's your week? How's your week been, mate?
It's been pretty good, let's say. It started bad, but then it went good.
Yeah. Cool.
But still, hope to the new week, to the new month. The only thing that's good for me is that I'm in profit, that's all.
Yeah, that's it.
How much?
No, that's it. End of the day, our goal is to be profitable, right? We're always going to make mistakes, and we're always going to you're not going to get it right every time, but but profit is profit, right?
Yeah, so that's what's most important.
Yeah, absolutely. And yeah, if I can finish the week with no losses again, then I'll be pleased.
Yeah.
But yeah, I was looking at yesterday's situation on GJ, man. What a madness.
Yeah. I was looking at it too, bro. It was whoa.
Yeah, because I'll show you. So basically, I'll tell you where I got in. So I got in off this candle here with stops below. So that was after that liquidity grab. It's pulled back. It's created a higher support. Started to break through. So I was like, yeah, cool. And then after this candle here, I think it was that one, started to push up. See, my target was only like 500. So in that case, I was like, yeah, we shouldn't be coming back, especially after that big liquidity grab. And then it just started to range hard. And I just was like, nah, I ain't playing. Like, I'm just going to close it at break even. And then, of course, it runs for the day. But, I mean, it's one of them, innit? I didn't feel like, because I mean, after seeing that move down and then you see this flyer of a candle, in theory you want to see a little wick and then you want to see that next drive. That's what I would expect to see. Maybe that was me being a bit too ambitious on that, but the way this sort of pulled back and then continued up and then started to slow up, I was like, is this going to come back again into here, wick into there again before we do that? Because we've seen that a lot as well. So I just was like, nah, I don't want to be back in drawdown. Like, I just want it to, this should be moving at this stage, you know what I mean? Because our range, right, was so small from where I got an entry. It was like, you know, we're talking 13 pips, but your wick is almost 34. So it's, oh shit. Shut up. Right, let me just let this play, otherwise I get the copyright again. Yeah, you would expect, right, with a 30 pip wick, that the next candle should easily be driving the 14 pips. You would not expect that, but it did. You know, then the next one came down, made more liquidity, and it was just a bit of a nightmare, to be honest. But it's one of them. But at least I didn't take a loss.
Yeah,
Yeah.
but what's happened after the retracement? It pushed and it pushed and it pushed and it wasn't stopping, man.
I know, and it was just
Yeah,
weird. Like, obviously, I just maybe I was a bit ambitious with how quick we should move up, but the way the candle was moving, it started moving up quick. So we got to like this level, and I was like, yeah, we should smash through that easy. We're gonna get to here, and then I can take some profit, and then we can see if we're gonna get up to this area. But no, it like sort of tapped here, pulled back a bit, and then continued, which is where I was like, nah, I'm not really trying to. Because if this is all liquidity, like where we then start wicking up and then start filling down, you've seen that before as well. So not all the time is big wicks like this just a case of like, yeah, we're heading up. Obviously, yeah, in yesterday's situation, it was apparent that we were going to head up because of the higher time frames and structure. But yeah, we'll see anyway. We'll see if we can get more continuation today. I would like to expect. Right, let's get this back on.
did you read anything regarding
Did I what, sorry?
regarding the copyright?
No, I didn't actually get time last night, to be honest, but I will take a look. I will take a look. What, the one that you sent me?
Yeah, that should be, I think, fine, working fine.
Alright, well what I'll do is I'm gonna take a look for Monday, and then I can get, but I do really like these songs, they're really chill. So we'll see. But yeah, let's see what gold does over here. And GJ. Man, my YouTube has never been this quiet in my life.
Why? How many viewers there are?
3.
Maybe it's Friday.
Yeah. It is just a bit of a weird one. I thought we'd have a bit more, but oh well.
Did you post it on Instagram?
Nah, not yet actually. Not yet. Oh, we got a comment. Bomber Designs, been a minute HTG. Yes, it's been a minute, mate. But we're back. We're back for a little bit. We are back.
Yeah.
It's nice to have a little break now and again from the streaming. You know, it is a, you know, it's a massive commitment. Plus, you know, there's loads of other streamers out there now, so it's not like you'll be missed if you go. But obviously, I enjoyed it, so I thought I'd come back. Yeah, it was nicer when I mean, back in the day when I first started streaming, I had like 100 people. It was good. I mean, to be honest, that's when I stopped right at the bad time, to be honest, because I stopped as it was getting to that point where it's probably going to grow and grow and grow. But
Yeah, you should give him more time.
yeah, but look, at the end of the day, we can get there again. It's not a problem.
Yeah, sure. It just needs a little bit more time.
Yeah. End of the day, like if I think of where I am now to where I am back then, you know, I'm a much more advanced trader now than I am 2 years ago when I first started streaming. So what I can bring to the education now is gonna be much more in depth, you know. So it's pretty cool. But yeah, GJ dead right now. I won't be looking for any sells on GJ. If anything, if this pulls back for the day, then cool, because then we know come Monday that we should just get that continuation through to the new week, new months, new quarter. I would expect next Monday to probably smash up to like 66, to be honest, in my opinion, but that's just my opinion.
Yeah, depends on what's gonna happen on the fundamentals.
Yeah.
Because right now it's a shit show with what's happening with China, Russia, Iran, and Russia trying to make dollar be worth it.
Yeah, I think we're a long way away from that yet, though.
Yeah, but they started. They made a lot of new contracts with Australia, France, Saudi Arabia. They made the first transactions this Chinese yuan.
No, I hear what you're saying. I mean, it's obviously gonna affect the market. But I'm just saying that I think we're still a while away from, should we call it, dethroning the US dollar.
I think it's impossible to that to happen, because it's the US dollar is always gonna be on top of everything.
Yeah, I mean it's embedded at the end of the day, really, isn't it? If we think about it.
Yeah. Nothing's gonna change. They can try, but I don't think that's gonna change.
No, that's right.
Dollars.
Absolutely. Yeah. But I was gonna say with GJ, I think what we're looking at now is if this is the liquidity wick again to drive up, then we will break 750s and continue up. But otherwise, if this 1 hour candle starts closing down bearish and pushing down, then this is pretty dead, to be honest. But you know, don't just be jumping in sells just because you see 1 30-minute breaking below support. You know what I'm saying? It's not going to give you the best option. You know, because we could easily see this candle come up and just break 750s. You know what I'm saying? So just bear that in mind. But yeah, it'd be nice to get some get the regulars back on, those that want to be watching the stream. I managed to get you know, the video from 2 days ago, the stream from 2 days ago. I managed to get that re-uploaded to YouTube, but I had to mute a whole like 5 minutes of it.
The whole music part.
Yeah, it's like a song or something that was part of, you know, copyright or some shit.
Yeah, it's a copyright shit.
Yeah, trust.
Nothing more today.
I don't know. I mean, if GJ starts breaking up, then we could be in for a decent move. I mean, I got potential planned buys on lower time frame, above 770. So we'll see. But ideally, a 30-minute closure above there would be much better. But you know, if we then start breaking these wicks on the hour after grabbing that liquidity, I think, yeah, 65s makes a lot of sense. Maybe we're gonna get all the way back up to 200s. Where's our 4-hour level? Yeah, so this is our current 4-hour high at 200s. We may get there, but I expect that we'll see a pull back before the 4-hour closure. and then maybe continue into through NY. But that's if we hold this solid support here. If we hold support here, then we could be alright.
Is in a nice range.
Gold in a nice range.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If it breaks, it's gonna push. It's gonna push harder.
Yeah. Yeah, especially because it's not had much volume from a daily standpoint yet. Daily's been quite quiet. But if you get that break above 1983, I think that should be that should work out quite well. Yeah, if we create a solid support above 770, I think that'd be it. Easy buy, to be honest. If we start creating higher support on the 5 GJ, I think that's going to be sweet, to be honest. I think now the news has settled down, we may now continue with our overall direction. But yeah, I think this 1 hour close after breaking that wick low, closing solidly, it's pretty good. But yeah, I'm trying to keep an eye on gold as well, because if we start popping up, then gold could give us a good option as well.
Yeah.
But we'll see. Alright guys on the YouTube, why you look so quiet? What are you guys looking forward to today? I was literally saying, I was like saying this yesterday, I was like, I just got no response, I was like, oh.
Come on guys on YouTube, wake up. Wake up.
Yeah man. I don't know what the weather's like for you, but it's absolutely miserable here today.
Why?
Just raining and dull, you know? You know where you like it's all cloud, you see no sunshine.
Yeah, yeah.
It's just miserable.
Here at me it's a little bit cloudy. And it's supposed to start to rain today till the next Tuesday.
Oh my god.
Yeah, it's boring as shit.
Yeah, it just like, it really makes you not want to do anything, does it, when you when it's like this?
Well, I like when it's raining, but when I don't have to go outside.
Yeah, true.
And I have to stay inside, it's okay. I really like it. But when it's raining and I have to go outside, it's shit.
Yeah, no, trust.
But what can we do? We can't control the weather.
No, just the government can. I'm joking.
Yeah, but when when I think that the summer is coming, the hot weather, whoa, I hate it. Bro.
Yeah? Oh no, I live for the summer, man.
I love the summer for the beach, but I hate the hotness.
Oh yeah.
It's too hot, bro. The sweat, the oil, everything now. But the summer is good, is good. When you are
Yeah,
down at the beach, you're chilling, everything is fine.
yeah. No, I gotta say, I live for the summer, bro. That is me.
Why? What's so good about summer?
Good. I mean, you just it's hot. You feel good.
Soundtrap is the
You know.
easiest way of producing
God's
music. Choose an
sake.
808 kick.
Shut up. Yeah, yeah. Summertime's best, man.
How,
Summertime's.
how does the highest temperature go at your,
What in England?
yeah, during summer?
I don't know. I mean, it depends really. Um, sometimes it's gonna be like I don't know. It can sort of range from like mid 20s to sort of high 28s. It depends. It depends on the year. Sometimes the summer's shit. Sometimes it's really good. It really all depends, to be honest.
Oh, I love to have those temperatures. Here at me it goes to 40, 40 degrees,
Mm.
36, 38 down.
Oh wow, that's just too hot, man.
Yeah, it's like burning and shit.
Yeah, that is too hot.
Do you guys have the sun during the summer or still no sun during the summer?
What you saying? Sorry, the what in the summer?
The sun, does it come out in the summer?
Yeah,
Or
yeah, yeah, yeah. No, it comes out.
still England has strange weather though.
Mm,
How come?
I don't
How
know,
come? It's the same.
bro. I have no idea, man. England's just England's a very weird place, bro. That's all I can say. It's a very weird place. It's
You guys, you guys are not in the EU anymore, or you are? What's up?
no, we left the EU now, didn't we?
Yeah, you did.
Yeah, we left the EU now. I'm
Yeah,
just looking at GJ now. I've closed above my little area.
yeah. Interesting. It made even a little weak.
Yeah, I think we can get to like 900s pretty easy. And then 65 would be a good little target. Yeah, we'll see. See if we can get a nice push. Because I ain't trying to play on a Friday, I'm trying to bag up.
Yeah.
I think we should get to 900s in this 5-minute candle, to be honest. Oh shit. Oh GJ, thank you.
Yeah.
Well, we got to 900, so I'll monitor this now if it starts coming back.
Yeah, I think it was retraced now.
If this starts coming back, man, we'll just
Back to 700, I think.
yeah, I'm just gonna monitor it now because we've hit my first target at that stage. So yeah, probably gonna put stops to break even. Actually, I'll wait for a sec because it's only the first 5-minute candle. But yeah, those who listened up did say if we start breaking above sort of 760s, we have a good opportunity to get into a trade up to 900s and then up to 65. The thing is, it's just not enough to close at 900. It's not really enough. It's 10 pips. I mean, it's okay. It is a Friday.
Yeah, still profit.
Yeah, profit's profit.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's still the same way for the
But
closure
I
of
mean,
the.
if we can break 900s, then I mean 65 is on the cards, you know. So that's why I don't want to rush it too. You know, if we end up all the way up over here and I've closed down here, I feel very silly. But yeah, that's my trade anyway. So we'll keep an eye on that. I'll put less risk on it as well because it's a Friday. But yeah, I see no reason why we can't continue this move, to be honest. Still haven't even got the 30 close in. The 1 hour looks pretty solid now, to be honest. So I would expect this to continue quite nice. If this doesn't reject hard, then it should be alright. But if it doesn't reject hard and we continue this little momentum we got right now, then this should smash 65 quite easy. If we break 900s, then I mean we're on to like 65,070, and then it's just pretty clean from there. But it's just this little 900 level, we've come up to it, we've had a little reaction, might not do anything, might reject, so we'll just see, we monitor as we go, right? But if this can just continue smashing through, then we're laughing, right? But I know them people that wait for the 30-minute to close, they're pissed right now. Oh, I had the music.
You should start singing for us.
Singing.
Yeah, so we can hear a little music too.
Come on, GJ. Give me that push, man. Yeah, ideally I want to see this smash through 900, because I ain't even really trying to play with drawdown or anything like that today. It's Friday, man.
Yeah.
The only problem is we can pull back, create a higher support before this 30-minute closure, and then we go, which I'd rather re-enter than sort of be holding into drawdown, do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So we'll see. Just have to monitor this. And especially if we close up really high on the 30-minute close, then the next 30 could easily create big downside wicks. Yeah, I'm considering potentially just going break even soon, actually. Right, because we close at this 15-minute level as well, it just makes it so tough. Yeah, fuck it. If this comes back to entry, I'll just close that bad boy. I ain't even trying to play on the Fridays, man.
Yeah, it's better these days.
It will be annoying though if it comes back, but if it doesn't, then we're gonna get a solid push. But if it does come back, then it's just a bit long.
It only can come back for retest, only that.
Yeah, but I mean, at the same time, I know we're very bullish, but we don't want to muck about. I'm not trying to muck about today. Don't want to give away profit on a Friday, especially when you're moving into profit like that. We've got clean candles to the left once we're above all these wicks. So this is, if we're going to reject from sort of 900s, right? But if we're not, then we would expect volume to push us through up to 65s, and then yeah, it should be easy game at that stage. But if we can't push through 900, then naturally we'll fall back to 750s, and then it's all long, right?
Yeah.
Right, stops again, put to break even. Oh, we're flying, mate. There you go, YouTube. Tell me you should. Oh shit. Yeah, GJ is off, lads. Right,
yeah.
That'll do me. Closed positions, 20 pips. Easy work. Easy job. There's only 3 people on to see that.
Yeah, damn.
Another week, no losses.
So it's trick, yeah.
And all those who waited for the 30 to close, you ain't getting nothing. Oh, this is still going. Damn. Wow, what's a good week. Yeah, I'm happy to close my trade at 65 and be done.
Yeah, just be happy about.
Yeah.
There still will be the next day and the next day.
Yeah, bro. Man, this is why people need to pay attention. It's a flyer though. What's gold saying now? Oh, gold's just ranging. Mate, GJ is a flyer. I knew once we broke that 750s level, we were going to be off. But yeah, another day, another dollar.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was a good week, man. It's a good week. Yeah, this is my week. No losses. Well, 3 break-even trades and 4 winning positions. 685. Pretty decent week.
Yeah, pretty decent week.
Yeah, man. Then there's the live trade. It's all done live account for those haters in the back.
Yeah,
took buys where I said I was going to take buys. And closed roughly where I said I was going to close, around 65ish. Got a bit more than that actually. 65.070. Yeah, so I closed around, yeah, just above 65, which is pretty cool. So yeah, solid week, man. Solid week. No losses for 2 weeks. 3 weeks now, sorry.
Yeah, 3 weeks.
But yeah, it looks like it should push up to 200s now, man.
It has the possibility. We'll see what's gonna do during autumn.
Yeah, man. Right, I'll leave it on GJ. I'm just gonna go make a little drink quick. Get ready for work and shit, and then we'll see how this closes out. I reckon Open's probably gonna make a wick down, and then this will push to 200s, if not further today now.
That's possible.
But yeah, no, I'm happy with that. To be fair, I wouldn't have been too worried about trying to hold up to 260, 200. You could do, but I think for me, it's end of the week, last trade to bag up for the week. Got around, what did we get? Yeah, around 23, 24 pips. So it's pretty nice at that stage.
Yeah, pretty.
Yeah, this is the days you wish there's like 50 people and they're just all like, oh my god.
Yeah, whoa.
You know what I'm
saying?
It's mad, you know. Right, I'm gonna be back in a minute.
Okay, no worries.
I'm also eyeing up gold now as well, so I'm gonna leave it on gold for a minute actually.
Okay, fine.
So I'm sort of waiting above, see if we can get a closure above 1983. Be pretty solid. Right, cool. Right, I'll be back.
Okay, wait. See.
Sweet, sweet. Right. So GJ, yeah, GJ's gonna tap 200, 300ish, and then from
Look at
there.
gold push and retrace.
Yeah, I was looking at gold. I mean, thing is, I wanted to see support formed above 1983. So now I've got confirmation. If we start to create support above here on the 5, then you have options up to sort of 1985 and then 1988. But if this is, see, the initial break's closed here, right? So this is just the new candle forming a wick. So if we respect this area creating support, then obviously we can fill that and continue up to 85. But if not, then it is what it is. But I want to see a solid support forming above here. But anyway, YouTube, I'm gonna have to head off. But yeah, it looks like GJ. Yeah, it looks like GJ to move. It's not complete as of yet, but like I was saying, if we close really high up, open's likely to make a very steep wick before maybe continuing up. But yeah, if you paid attention, listen to the parameters that I set. I did discuss above 770, you have an easy buy up to 65. So that's what we done. We took profits and we closed for the day. But on GJ, yeah, it's gonna get a bit tough now, because so 200, 300 is max target for the session, whereas it may not have the liquidity to do that. You may get this pull back now, but we'll see. I mean, it's probably going to still continue with open, I have no doubt. And then with gold, I'd be waiting for support to form at this stage. This is where, like, just getting in off the closure isn't always going to be good. Do you know what I'm saying? It's a solid hour, but look at the size of that hourly candle. You would expect a wick, right? A deep wick before maybe then continuing up, right? So within that wick, you want to be looking for support to form. But just be careful, because we've rejected here a few times. You can see why this area is important. But obviously if we do create support, then 1985, 1988 is on the cards easy. So I'll keep an eye on that, but to be honest, my day's done now. My week is done. So yeah, thanks everyone. Make sure you like the stream, make sure you're subscribed. Take care, have a good rest of your day, and we're back on Monday. See everyone on Monday. Take care, YouTube.